Ci siamo. Buon pomeriggio a tutti, buon pomeriggio. Vorrei dare l'inizio ai lavori, anche perché penso sia un pomeriggio strong, quindi pregherei a tutti di prendere posto, se possibile. Grazie. Bene. Direi di iniziare. Siamo pronti.
So we can start. We are ready. The Technical Innovation Award is a very important appointment, both for Eima International and in the very life of our association in our sector. It is a very prestigious competition on account of its history, the technological content, and the jury is going to award highly innovative models, teams of technical people and engineers, strengthening brand competitiveness and represents an important leverage for product marketing. However, it is not just an opportunity to celebrate an individual company or an individual product model. It is an ideal opportunity to talk about innovation at large. To think about innovation can meet the challenges of productivity and sustainability, and to think about how to support research. As a matter of fact, technological innovations in agricultural machinery belong to a broader strategy and are part of a funding system for research at a European level, partnering up with universities and also in terms of school education and vocational training. We cannot think of an innovation which is separated from research, testing and development of products. We cannot think of innovation in line with agricultural policies where training and education are provided to the staff with a specific training for operators and for people that are going to use the machinery on the field. We cannot think of any technological innovation that is not disseminated to the public and the media using the most prestigious showcase. And it is from this viewpoint of providing a support network for innovation, I'd like to thank the institutional representatives of the professional associations, universities, research centers, and of the press and of the Bologna Trade Fair organization, who are here with us today for the precious role they play in developing and spreading innovation in agriculture. If I may, I'd like to thank our technical office, all the engineers and the technicians that have been working a lot on this. I'd like to give the floor to our General Manager, Mrs. Simona Rapastella, not just for today, which is quite simple compared to last week at the G7 that you've all seen, and Simona and I are going to open up a great Eima International.
Thank you, President. Evening, everybody, and thank you for being here in such large numbers to look at and be part of the 30th edition of the awards of Eima. Obviously, we have seen technological improvements, enormous improvements that has led our sector to accomplish many things. If we look at the latest data of the last 5 editions of Eima, 10 years of work, in other words, that our industry has carried out, pushing to reach technological levels which are really exceptional. And if we look at these years, we see that the jurors in 5 editions in fact, looked at 680 proposals coming from the industrial sector and recognize 132 technical innovations, in other words, the highest award, and 260 mentions. Now, the 2024 has seen a record number of submissions, 150 submissions, and today we were talking about the winners and 48 mentions. Obviously, this level of innovation is the great protagonist of the day, the one we are honoring. And if we look at the technological developments which have gradually been shown at the various contests in the years, we've seen a change, an evolution, but especially in the recent editions, we've seen the development of electric movement and the exchange of data. The protocols are based on isobus. We've seen evolution of all the operations that this brings, again pushing this protocol itself even further. And we've seen these technological trends change over the years, that's true, but we've seen a constant objective or aim on the part of the innovators, what it's aimed at. In other words, we're talking about harmonization of farming with the natural environment, reducing energy consumption, and also improving operational performance in terms of economics and also safety, and then, of course, greater productivity. If we had to pinpoint the driver that has been an underlying constant on the part of all of these innovations, certainly we would, in fact, talk about these factors, these developments. Now, over the years, we've seen different technological solutions which have been very specific, not just mechanical innovations as well. And this has shown that agricultural mechanization has an extraordinary ability to take on board many, many aspects and things, and that which has increased the demand for R&D to develop the processes and therefore the product, and produce increasingly innovative products from a technological point of view. Very often we have had these innovations coming from large-scale in manufacturers, but not only. Another phenomenon we're seeing in the last edition is that of proposals coming from small to medium-sized players, and they win, and they are winners of the Innovation Award, also the mentions. And that shows that the sector industry and the innovation that's there is for them an indispensable element to help increase their competitiveness. In fact, our industrial sector, in fact, is export-driven, of course, and we go throughout the world, which is all important, therefore. Now, we have not changed our format very much over the years, it's true, but we have had, nonetheless, developments which have taken place from the 2021. The committee has been international, as it's made up of prestigious players who come from research centers, from universities throughout Europe. So today, this really is a very important meeting because we are acknowledging innovation, which is a symbolic characteristic of Eima International. And in fact, during the Eima Fair, we acknowledge our industry, and we, in fact, will then go to the inauguration proper later on of the fair next month. And so thank you all. Thank you on behalf of Eima International, and thank you all for your contribution.
prima di passare la parola al collega Davide.
Before giving the floor to Davide Gnesini, who's in charge of the technical service of UNACOM and coordinator of the jury of the technical committee, I would like to invite the Vice President of Bologna Fiera for a quick welcome address. Thank you very much. My personal name and welcome to Bologna. We feel honored to have you here. In my capacity as Vice President of Bologna Fiera, we feel honored to have Eima International again here in Bologna, an international event which has been growing over the years. And we at the Bologna Trade Fair are trying to create the conditions for it to further develop in the future. This year we're already thinking ahead, 2026, to provide more space and better services. Numbers are important for growth, but beyond number, quality must be taken into account. And I think that this event, this award, acknowledging innovative ideas and solutions and products and services, is at the very core, the true driving force of the growth of this event. Numbers have been mentioned, 20 innovations plus 48 mentions. So with an intensive scouting activity where several companies were involved. This is really very important. We have to create the incentives and the conditions to promote innovation by companies. So this is an important incentive from this point of view. Innovation is a joint endeavor. It's the driving force in the innovation process. And of course, we need to be able to disseminate and transform ideas into successful innovations that can have an impact. Of course, from this point of view, these showcase events play an extremely important role for people to get to know these solutions and make them more impactful. I think this place hosting us, the city of Bologna that I'm privileged to represent as a representative of the mayor of Bologna. We are certainly committed to support the Bologna Trade Fair organization to provide better and more support to their activity for present and future events, to work together to make them more attractive and make this territory a whole international ecosystem for innovation. Last but not least, let me mention the precious role played by universities and research centers. I'm also a professor at Bologna University. I teach innovation management at the School of Engineering. So today I feel very much at home because this is what I do at university. I organize several call for ideas initiatives. So to encourage students to be creative and innovative. So I'm really happy to be here from this point of view as well. So I think more attention should be paid to innovation and of course, the University of Bologna is the oldest university in the Western world, has always played a role in this area. They've always been involved in promoting training and education of people working within the Bologna Trade Fair organization, which plays an extremely important role in this city. So I'd like to thank you very much again for joining us today, and I wish you a very successful event and very successful Eima. Thank you.
Buonasera.
Good evening and welcome to everybody. This evening, the award ceremony will be quite long, but we're going to, unlike the last years, we're going to start with the mentions to have, as was mentioned, to have, then they have the awards, which are the most important. So in 2000, Eimatica IT with the product Seeding Drone, and with Dr. Paolo Marra, who is the general manager of the company, is asked to come up. I don't know if they've heard us. Let's wait a little bit more.
All ends with beginnings. What keeps the planet spinning?
Okay, let's go to number 2. The second company to get a mention is Agricol Meccanica for the airdrop droplet control sensor. It is a system to, in fact, measure the diameter of the droplet. And Midiri Kurazzi is going to come up for the prize. Now, the next company, Agrinova, with Colistera. This is a hybrid shredder with, and Mr. Beccati is going to come up with a prize.
I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance.
Bene. Procediamo.
Now let's continue. Altec now for the nozzle flow monitor. It's a system to measure the flow rate of a nozzle. And Dr. Rudolf Speaker, Research and Development Manager, is going to come up and get the prize. Club arrogant like yeah, top like money, so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, better no shares. Fall out, cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building. The next company, Eima, with Nimbus Safety is a product. It's a digital dashboard which allows man-machine interface and vehicle control functions. Dr. Paolo Cani, product manager of Eima Instruments, is going to get the floor. Don't believe me, just watch.
Procediamo con Annovi Reverbe.
Let's now Annovi Reverbers. The next company is the diaphragm pump for space rails. It's AR1604 AP green oil, and it uses food grade lubricant, so it reduces all the hazards. And Giuseppe Orlandini is going to come up and get the floor. He is the technical manager of Annovi Reverberi. Let's continue. Argo Tractors, the Landini Rex for energy. It's an orchard tractor with integrated electric generator, giving a power load of 10 kilowatts. And engineer Fresco Pagani is going to collect the prize. He is in charge of compact machines within the company.
24-karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out.
The next company, Arias, the mini group with a tele-end front loader. This product has a telescopic implement with the integrated in the loader arms. Dr. Orlando Caldari, who is the CEO of the company, is coming up to get the prize.
Procediamo.
We now go on with B group of the Bargam brand. The name of the machine will be Sprayer 5, and it's a self-propelled sprayer with fully mechanical axle, differential lock, unique product on the market, and we have here Mr. Blasi, who's the CEO of the company.
Successiva,
Next, we have CAEB. The system is a reduced dispersion, quick fit hydraulic fluid connector. No more oil drops on the floor. Guido Rota.
all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling.
And now we have Casella with High SE house reel. It's an electric irrigation reel, battery powered with solar. Remover. It's a machine for vineyards with a modular design and a wide range of rotational speeds, making it suitable to different jobs. The project engineer of the machine, Mr. Quattrini, collects the prize. Roberto Quattrini.
Like the legend of the phoenix, all ends with beginnings.
Ecothea now with Smilla H2. This is a multi-purpose autonomous vehicle, battery-powered, with a fuel cell range extender. Here it's a hydrogen application. The prize is collected by engineer Salvatore Martelli. Now we have Eno Agricola Rossi. The product is Eno 2920. It's a two-wheels rotating rake. The rake arms of the two rotors intersect during the motion. This is the main feature, and the prize is collected by Mr. Giovannini. Fad Assali with Prima Sliding. This is an independent suspension for agricultural trailer with variable track width. The prize is collected by Mr. Michele Vincenzi, who is responsible for research and development of the company. Ferrari Costruzione Meccanica with Twist Weed AI. It's a mechanical weeder with tool actuated or operated by electric motors and controlled by artificial intelligence. Damiano Ferrari, who is responsible for software and electronic design, collects the prize. And now we have Hotech with the twin machine. It's an harvester of vegetables for greenhouses. It's got two counter-rotating conveyor belts, and it has a compact design. The CEO of the company, Massimo Blubelli, collects the prize. Eima with a picker, model 124. It's a trailed harvester for olives and stone fruits. It can be used on this type of fruits, and the prize is collected by Miss Jenny Roda.
What y'all trying to do? 24-karat magic in the air.
Industrias David
with Smart Sense. This is a 3 presence sensors for inter-row machines. It can be controlled from the tractor's cab. Mr. Milani collects the prize. Irimec with MT15E. This is an irrigation reel. It is fully electric, battery powered with solar panels. Alfonso Fratos de Palestrini collects the prize. Irritec presents Commander's Feeder. It is an intelligent fertigation system. The software uses 3 sources of information, among which satellite vision. Giuseppe Giardina, Research Director, collects the prize. I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 and ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance. Erie works with Carver AI. This is another artificial intelligence-based tool which was designed to optimize the design and management of irrigation systems. Daniele Donzi collects the prize.
Club arrogant like yeah, top like money so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no shares. Fall out 'cause that's the business.
Leckler spray technology, first one of two prizes. This is the prize for LS20 ARE30. Flat spray nozzles for spot spraying. Alberto Rossi collects the, who is the executive director, collects the prize.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Leckler spray technology with X-amount. This is an automated closed transfer system for chemicals, which compared to other solutions on the market is fully electric. Knupfer Annes from Leckler, Germany collects the prize. Manitou with Smart Weighing System SWS. This is a weighing system for telehandlers. Unlike similar solutions on the market, it does not require calibration nor is limited to a specific position of the boom. Cristiano Campicis, Sales and Marketing Director, collects the prize.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air.
Now we have a collaboration of three companies, MDB, Oran Fresh and Vision Global Service. This is for an orange harvesting system. For MDB we have Mauro Di Basiev, founder, Massimo Daddario for Oran Fresh, and for Vision Global Service, Paolo Raschiatore. Merlo with TF437E. This is a medium-sized electric telehandler. It features Type 2 socket. Andrea Merlo collects the prize. Monchiero with Volt winch. This is an electrical traction winch for forestry vehicles. Massimo Monchiero, CEO, collects the prize. Nobili with the sprayer Geo HFan 85HF 102T. This is a trailed bush and tree sprayer where it is possible to lower or raise the fan to be more precise with spraying. Mr. Selvatici, R&D Director, collects the prize.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Orma with Leader Solis at Pluvia. This is an electric irrigation reel with solar panels. The legal representative, Miriam Mazzocchi, collects the prize. OCLL Carraro spray with Eidos full electric. This is an electric toad sprayer which was developed in collaboration with the University of Torino. Maurizio Carraro collects the prize.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out.
Ocmis Irrigazione with a 360-degree autonomous swingable overhang. This makes it possible to orient the final part of the machine, such as pivot or rangers. Mr. Lucelli collects the prize.
I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 and ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing.
Ormi with a mechanical weeder Happy Plant. It features vertical protective deflectors which avoid the impact of the wire with the plants of the vineyard. Sergio Olmi, CEO, collects the prize.
Club arrogant like yeah, top like money's on the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no shares. Fall out 'cause that's the business.
Orsi Group with Active Floating Plus. This is an articulated arm type mower with a high efficiency floating system. Alessandro Squarzoni collects the prize.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear.
Peruzzo con RoboFox Electra.
So, Peruzzo with RoboFox Electra Intelligent Hive. This is a battery-powered autonomous tracked mower which moves through a LiDAR system. Paolo Rossi, project leader, collects the prize.
Plumexo.
Plumexo with Audi plant. It's an AI-based fertigation system. It can manage up to 4 nutrients. Mr. Cesare Liberti, that's the price. I can't see Mr. Liberti coming up. Let's move on to the next. So the next is Rainbird with the micro bird jet, a micro splinker for irrigation for increased versatility. The price is collected by district manager for North and Central Italy, Mr. Lauria.
All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 and ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing.
Ranieri with the pneumatic orchard and vineyard fertilizer spreader Meglio for increased accuracy and productivity. Prize is collected by Mr. Nicola Ranieri, the general manager of the company.
Club arrogant like yeah, top like money's on the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no shares. Fall out
Rinieri again, but with a mechanical flour thinning machine with independent arms and two sections at 20 different speed rates. The price is collected by Mr. Calpezzi from the technical office.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Spezia with the Novat spraying. It's a retrofit kit for orchard sprayers with the PWM nozzles and air deflectors. Price is collected by Mr. Giancarlo Spezia.
So we bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd. Whoever wanna come along.
StarTech Rain Voice for Rain 270 ecosystem is a system for the irrigation management with reels. The system is equipped with voice activation, can be managed by voice through the app. We have here the developer of Rain Voice.
What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the
Topcon Agriculture it's an isobus kit for bush and tree pressure sprayers to enable variable volume spraying. Mr. Marco Miserocchi, the agriculture manager of Topcon Italy.
See but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel a good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing.
Last mention for 2024, Zaccaria with ZAM 270BL Maxi. It's a double body dumping grape trailer with rigid watertight covering that can be opened on both sides, left and right. Only solution of this kind on the market. Miss Lucia Zaccarini, the owner of the company, collects the price.
For the club, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, spending no shares. Fall out, cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out, so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building. They're watching, I know this. I'm rocking, I'm rolling, I'm holding. I know it, you know it.
Let's move on to awarding the technical innovations. So it's the top level of our competition for 2024. The first awardee for the technical innovation is Alpego with an electric harrow with 5 electrical motors where the mechanical system has been designed so as to be synchronized independently of all of the load on the individual gear. Dr. Luca Pegoraro, Chief Technical Officer, collects the prize.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Aldo Annovi with a front rear bay loading grab. It's a solution for increased productivity, operators' comfort and safety for front rear bay loading grab. This tractor must not be stopped completely for loading. Mr. Luigi Annovi collects the prize.
Shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd. Whoever wanna come along.
The following companies are for the Orion Pro is an integrated system for regulating and measuring the actual amount of product sprayed by liquid fertilizer distributors for reduced environmental impact for the precise distribution of liquid fertilizer. The price is collected by Mr. Francesco Buzzi, the product engineer.
what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out.
Second prize for Argo tractors. So this is for innovation, the McCormick Hyper Safety View. It's a computer vision system for an agricultural tractor to avoid collisions and facilitate implement coupling. There's a 360-degree view with specific functions such as identify distance from obstacles and helping in coupling equipment. Claudio Corsini, the electronic design manager, collects the prize. BCS with MC780E, it's an electric pedestrian controlled tractor, 2 motors. It's a miniaturized machine. The prize is collected by Mr. Giulia Castoldi, marketing manager of the BCS group.
When you dance, 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 feel good creeping up on you, so just dance, 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 come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 and ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance.
Caffini with the Zephyro, which is a bush and tree sprayer. The machine is fully electric and it features 8 fans, each of them carrying 2 PWM nozzles. In this case, it's for reduced energy consumption and environmental impact. The prize is collected by Mr. Claudio Modenese.
Gotta be the feeling that's confidence fair. Starting going wild, can't handle this player. Back for the club, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no shares. Fall out, cause that's the business. All out is
CNH Industrial Italia Spa, heavy-duty suspension for quad track. It's an idler wheel suspension system to accommodate ununiform ground conditions. It's a unique solution on the market. Prize is collected by Joseph Miller.
Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh.
So we'll have to place our trade fair district into the tractor. We'll find a way to display that during the Eima International. So CNH Industrial Italia SPA New Holland T4 FNV Advanced Vision Assisted Guidance, perception-based system for auto guidance in orchards and vineyards, integrating other features. And it's also meant for data collection. The prize is collected by Andrea Rizzi.
In the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite.
For De Masi with the Energy Box, it's a battery-powered hydraulic system to enhance the hydraulic performance of an operating machine. It's a true energy box, improving the performance of a smaller machine to be used for determined tasks with cost and fuel savings. Mr. Antonino De Masi, the managing director.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so Showtime, showtime, showtime. Guess who's back again?
We have a fast coupling system, a quick coupling system for the attachments of telehandlers. The innovation is that compared to other quick couplers on the market, this is the only solution which connects mechanically, hydraulically, and electronically the attachment to a telehandler. Prizes collected by the technical director of the company, Mr. Onibene. This is 10 Fast Attach. Infaco DSES contactless system. It's pruning, shear, and glove with a device for transmitting and receiving high-frequency electromagnetic fields to avoid the risk of cutting. Unlike other similar systems on the market, this system doesn't wait for the body part to enter the scissors. There's a proximity sensor and a specific glove. When the glove is too close to the scissors, it stops. Mr. Luca Castellani collects the price.
But you, when you dance, 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 feel good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 and ain't nobody leaving soon. So keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance.
Kuhn, with the first of the two prizes awarded, Optima Smart Soil Technology. It's an independent disc harrow. In red, you can see some components. These are the components that when the tractor is working on a slope, the machine doesn't deviate from the trajectory. So in precision farming, you want to have this kind of solutions. Prizes collected by Jérôme Griffon, the product manager of Kuhn.
Starting going wild, can't handle this plan. Back for the club, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, better no shares. Fall out, 'cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous.
The second prize awarded to Kuhn baler automation on VB7100, the first of two awarded round baler. This is a variable chamber round baler with isobus task controller geolocation and task controller section control. The first functionality allows the baler to add the geolocation data to the other output data. The second functionality automates sequences such as lifting and the pickup. The project manager of Rotopress collects the prize.
Don't believe me, just watch.
This is Royal Candies.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
So, Kvernelan Group Italia Kubota BV6 160 with a Timpack 2.0. It's a variable chamber round baler. In this case, we have a Team Isobus, tractor implement management. So the machine controls the tractor and automatically controls the alignment of the machine on the row independently of the tractor. Price is collected by Eleonora Benassi. I hope she's made it here.
So it's me,
Managing Director of Knegaland.
with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd. Whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk, just move right up the wall. They're light, sky's the light, so we dance to the breakdown.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball.
This is getting heavy. Can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Levies, chillin', honey. Yeah, this beat the chick like money.
Pausa per già fatti e da fare.
I'd like to take this opportunity to remind you that there's a group photo before any other activity, so don't disappear. We're going to take a group photo as soon as the award ceremony is finished. Thank you.
Procediamo con...
Next one, Maschio Gaspardo, Jumbo X. It's a rotary harrow. In this case, the peculiarity is the productivity of the machine with a working width up to 10 meters. The prize is collected by Paolo Baraldi, the project manager for soil preparation.
24-karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out! Pop, pop, it's showtime. Showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know.
Secondo...
The second award to a CLL goes to the Zen Eco Bliss, a volumetric double-stranded straddling flare. It's very innovative, and among other solutions, it uses a laminar airflow technology with a coin die effect. It's a way to replicate the benefits of a tunnel-type sprayer, but much lighter and simpler structures. Maurizio Carraro collects the prize. For Rota Italia, the award goes to Energy, an agricultural robot for soil working. It's designed to carry up to 3 soil working attachments that can work autonomously, even though there's an operator. Sandro Forigo, the head of the company, will collect the prize.
I shouldn't do, but you dance, and ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance.
The next award goes to Samidots Far Italia, Smart Vineyard Tractor, an autonomous narrow tractor. In addition to having this autonomous driving, it can collect data that can be used for any other implements. The award will be collected by Davide Benvenuti from the R&D department. The next award goes to Tecomex saw chain grinder MJ10.8. It's a battery-powered chainsaw grinder with magnetic coupling for the chainsaw bar. So you can very carefully drive a saw chain in the field. Mauro Pavan, the trade manager, will collect the prize.
Don't believe me, just watch.
The latest 2024 technical innovation is the Murcielago laser by Zanon. It's a battery-operated electric olive shaker equipped with a sensor that can detect leaves and branches in front of the rods. When you get closer to the tree, the speed increases, and when it's farther, it decreases with much less noise and disturbances for the driver.
Shining through the city with a little funky sound. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd. Whoever wanna come along.
I think this is time for the group picture, so I would call all the people that have received the award here. First, the mentions and then the innovations.
As a waitress in a cocktail bar, when I met you, I picked you out, I shook you up and turned you around, turned you into someone new. Now 5 years later on, you've got the world at your feet. Success has been so easy for you. But don't forget it's me who put you where you are now, and I can put you back down too. Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when you say that you don't need me. It's much too late to find. You think you've changed your mind? You better change it back, or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, I was working as a waitress in a cocktail bar, but much is true. But even then I knew I'd find a much better place, either with or without you. The 5 years we have had been.
Chiamo ora per favore le
Please, now technical innovations, join us on the stage. Please, technical innovation photograph now.
Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when you say that you don't need me. It's much too late to find. You think you've changed your mind? You better change it back, or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want